2009 Cadillac CTS-V Corvette motor. Right, it's got a tune on it. We just put 2 high flow cats because the other cats were clogged. So he's like, take them off and put us some high flows. I said, sure. There they are right there. MagnaFlows 51 234s or 235s, 2.25 on each side, there and there. Then he did a mid resonator delete earlier in the year. I don't know who did it for him back in Texas. He's working down here and he's like, we saw our videos and said, I want to bring it down to you guys. So somebody in Texas did a mid muffler delete on it for him, or resonator. There's the X pipe, factory X pipe that comes on these, and it's true dual from the factory, as you guys can see. And then we put out on the back 2 Black Widows, there and there. Part number right there. There'll be a link in the description for them also. And we reused his tips right there and right there. So Black Widows, there and there. High flow cats, X pipe, true dual, all the way back. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Guys, so remember that. So that takes a little bit of the sound away. Wow. I don't know if you have to retune it. I don't think so. Yeah. Man, that's such a distinctive sound. It's different. Wow, I like it. It's clean. You know? Between the X pipe and the Black Widows, it's clean. What you guys hear on the inside? Tell us what you think. Cadillac CTS-V. Like Victor. Oh man, we gotta go over the good ones today. That was beautiful. Enjoy, guys.